You can only feel this shit on my face, man. I tell you what, oh god, I've never been so fucking shitting myself in my life. I don't know what it is. The GoPro is just sitting on my head all booky. Before I used to jump there, but I feel like I should jump there. I know we didn't do the test. Oh, any excuse to stop. Give me a sec. There is fish in there. Man the fuck up. There's a difference between manning up and just doing stupid shit, because this could fucking go sideways rapidly. We both know I ain't that guy. I ain't that guy! Oh, paranoia. Oh my god. Now what? Now what? Oh shit. Oh, left nut. This is madness. Yeah, ain't got the strength for that no more. Must be something really cool you could do with this rope though. Paranoia. Oh, scheiße. Yeah, there's more down there. There's not more, but it's like the end. Oh my god. Ooh. That's colder than a motherfucker. And obviously, beep, beep, beep. Pardon me. Oh, mofos. Welcome to Thailand, baby. I reckon you can. Is that higher than that? It fucking is. Oh, yeah. Like, part of me wants to do, fuck part of me, but it's just gonna hit that and you're gonna clatter the rocks there. I don't know. Might make for good viewing, eh? But if you swing out, how far have I got to play with before I needed to tug me back in? Because if I jump out, swing, and it lashes me over there, you got to let go at the perfect time. Whoa. Oh, you fucking idiot, boy. Whoa. GoPro. Yeah, GoPro come off my head. He lost that. That would have been the first and last YouTube video. On that note, doobie time. Oh, I feel like I just smashed my nuts. Oh, the pain. I'll press record this time. I'll see you later.